Good morning, everyone. February 10, 2023, and 4 more days Valentine coming, and that's one of the best holiday in America. And some people already have someone. Please keep them well. Some people didn't have it, and please find one. It's a fun day to have someone to hang with. So SB 500 lost 25 point, and the US 30 is lost 135 point, and 100 future lost 120 points. And we can see a lot of a big one like Apple, Tesla, like Bitcoin, Baba, Microsoft, Neo, and Amazon lost quite a bit, but it's not that much compared with how much they gained. Like what I was talking about, say Tesla 2 weeks ago, it was $105. Right now, $215, $16 for yesterday. That's nothing. But anyway, the economy starts slowly getting and making sure. So when you watch out or play option or any, do the call more than the put. Whatever the put, you have to sell it in the same day or with profit. Otherwise, it's pretty tired to deal with. And from now on, whatever, you carry the put right there, you just sell it for, even though you lost, you still. But by the way, for the call, still make good money on. So in this general map, we can see that they decline a little bit. But anyway, like what I say, for the economy number this morning, it starts slowly gain, and by the way, the stock market is going to be up again, and it's not that strong like with the elephant team took over. With the donkey team, this thing goes slow because with many different reasons, and especially we don't make oil, we don't produce them, we have to buy from somewhere. That's make the economy kind of slow a little bit. But by the way, information technology, consumer dictionary, and consumer staples and communication service, healthcare, industrial material, real estate, finance, energy and utilities. All of them drop so much and they gain slowly because the last one 56% and the gain one 43%. Even though utility they lose a lot. It's nothing surprised me because it's winter. And some people say in another side somewhere it's already spring, but in Central America it's still count on winter because I still see snow, and when you pull your phone and look out, your temperature is still under 30 degrees Fahrenheit. So that means 0 degree on Celsius. Then that means the water froze, turn to ice. That means not spring at all. So we back with the market a little bit. So the most gain for today is called rank, and SQL 152%. Oh, that's a lot. It's still gain. If it's today, it's still going around 170, 180, but it's nothing guaranteed for you. It's going to be 200%. But anyway, it's going to be make sure 5 or 10% you sell it and get profit on it, and making sure you buy it lower than 20%, whatever you see, and sell it 5 or 10% when you get profits. That's the way, a structure for we call point falling, and that's the way I make money. Remember, I share and I buy. I chose what I buy and you chose what you buy. Sharing is caring. but don't, you have to use them well. So by the way, in another side, we have the last side like LYFT. I believe that's lipped. So especially like SQL is 146%, with HILS 77.87%, like almost 79. Yeah, sometimes like when I report a stock new, I like to round off those numbers because like point something, and just make like 45, 50%, whatever. Yeah, that's I like that. So it's more clear. It takes more time. Save your time. So by the way, it's a lot of stock going to be gained today because this morning, I saw Dow Jones lost over like 160 some point, but right now it's lost like 81 points. I mean, markets start to gain slowly, and especially now we in the option area, and like when we see call 1, 2, 3, and push like 2, 4, 5. But anyway, today the market kind of swing a little bit, making sure, but it's still gain in the gain size more than the loss side. But based on this information and whatever direction of the markets go, and especially with the economy point, is the market's going to be gain for sure. There's no way, like, cannot run anyway. Because like whatever you see, the number going to tell you the truth. It's not the news out there. People can write the news, people can buy the news. Like the company pay for a news is $5,000. That news different, but the news $20,000 is going to be big difference. But anyway, it's a number. Nobody can buy the number. Nobody can make up the number because the number is generated by the system and generated by the master computer. So ETFs page right now is QQQ and SPY still stay on the top. Like what I say, you want to buy SPY is around 400 is going to be the best. And QQQ like 295, 290. Yeah. Whatever you see out there, drop every order $3 to $5. Even though when you say, "Oh, I missed that," it's like, "Yeah, that's better," and "Oh my God, that's my fault. I bought too high." It's really hard to sell. Yeah, something like that. You have to think about that. And by the way, the cheap one is going to be ARKK. It's 39. Give them around 39, 35, 38.5. That's be good. And sometimes people say like SPY and QQQ a little pricey. I say yes, because they pricey. They have their stability, their stability, and their strongness. That's when like you play with you rather use something making in America better than somewhere make in the fake products. They just copy it and just make it, and just no warranty at all. And think about that. When things happen, you need to guarantee, you need to fix it, and nobody take care of it. So by the way, we can review that page a little bit. Even though when you see the Bitcoin drop down to $21,000, it's like in the future, yeah, Bitcoin is really hard to gain. It's not the crypto season at all, because the crypto season have to have really, really strong economy and people have extra money, they can buy crypto. And usually if their crypto slightly swing too much, and they go to buy stock because they know the stock is representative for the company. Sometimes the stock like take over, like depend like 10 to 20%, whatever the value of the company, and they would like to choose the stock because it's more stable. sometimes like crypto and they just like not represent for anything, because like let's say Java didn't make any crypto or something like that. They may make it later, but now it's not. Like 4 or AL. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful weekend. See you guys next week.